I have opened 12 of these, and I was pretty sure that I was never going to open one again because they're hard to find. But now, I found another at Walmart. And, hey, what's up, YouTube? My name is Mason Pearson. I'm on Twitter at MasonPearson21. And, I found another one of these holiday boxes. And, they had 5 of them today. Hopefully my luck here is good. This is number 13, lucky 13. Hopefully something good happens. 10 packs per box, 100 cards per, box too. And, I'm at 10 cards per pack. Wait, yeah, 10 cards per pack, 10 packs per box, 100 cards per box too. And, either one autograph, or one auto relic in every box, one of each. And look out for metallic snowflakes. There's 5 per box, and hopefully I pull one of those bad boys. So here we go. I don't know if I'm ever gonna open one of these again, but I say I lied. I just wasn't really sure. They are sure fun to open though. I'll be honest with that. And I thought I was never gonna open one again because they would be hard to find. And it's not wintertime anymore. It's actually almost spring now. So here we go. I showed you guys the complete set already. I do have a complete set. It'd be really cool if I pulled a master set out of these. That could happen. It might happen if I tried. I'm joking. Maybe everything about the 101s. Maybe that could happen. Alright, first pack. Here we go. Prado. Cruz. Gonzalez. Matt. Desmond. Love the field snowflakes. Perez. Marzara. Walker. And Kipnis. Murphy, Snell, Gardner. There's a metallic snowflake. My uncle's favorite, Yadier Molina. Nice one. Sale, Fielder, Bogarts, Beltre, and Chapman. Verlander, Seager, Gray, Molina, Syndergaard, Donaldson, Pineda, Teixeira, Story, Escobar, Wright, Martinez, Strasburg, Rodriguez, Odar, Perez, Snowflake. Second catcher for some reason. Is it a catcher's theme today? Or what? Robbie, can you know? Baez, Castro, and Ortiz. Keuchel, Yelich, Lester, Rondon, Vasquez, outdated R.A. Dickey team card, Nola, Snowflake, Jones, Springer, and Kindler. Never mind. I pulled a lot of relics out of these, just letting you guys know. And, pulled one auto. Oh. Syndergaard. Card Regicide, I will love this card, I bet. So it's a pitchers and catchers theme, huh? Marja. Steven Book. Might get that card signed. I do have all these cards, by the way. By the way, I don't think there's any redemptions. Can't feel like a big pack. Uris, Miller, Hilkson, Hamels. I think I have this guy already for the Snowflakes. But it's the pitchers and catchers same for these cards. Chapman. They're not numbered, by the way. 2 more packs left. There's a big card in there. Jersey. Not a 101 either, but oh well. Guess I just go buy more. Adam Jones jersey card, not bad. Look cool though, actually. Is that number 1? Never mind. Jersey, that's the hit of the box. Got 2 hits today. Alright, last pack, you guys. I think we're missing one more Snowflake, I believe. Trout, Hayward, LaCroix. Got a second Met for the Snowflakes. David Wright. It's almost St. Patty's Day, so it should be like Shamrocks or something. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave a comment, subscribe for more, and I'm out. And I forgot to show you guys something in the last video that I kind of lied about. I had some pizza. San the Romas. There's the phone number. Genesee, Illinois. Here we go. Ooh, deep dish. Alright, talk to you guys next time, and see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go Cubs go, all the way. By the way, I'm pretty sure this is not going to be the last box.